So pretty. Welcome back to my channel. I have my favorite special guest here again. It's Carly. And this time she has new hair. Look at her hair. It looks so good. I have new hair too, but by the time y'all see this, you'll probably already seen the video of me doing this hairstyle, so you can get this hairstyle as well. Super cute, love it. Giving me African queen vibes, you know. But today we are making a video, and this is kind of still a Black Lives Matter type of video because we are fucking the system basically and not supporting Chick-Fil-A because they have the best frosted lemonades. Like, girl, boy, baby. When I tell you that I love to go to Chick-Fil-A and get frosted lemonades, that was like the spot. But since they want to act up, we have to act up as well. So we're making our own frosted lemonades with a twist because we're adding strawberries into ours because I don't think Chick-Fil-A has strawberry frosted lemonades, and that's why they are not where they need to be. And that's why they'll never be superior again in my book, or in hers, or any other people that support Black Lives Matter, because they do. They really matter. And if you don't think so, I don't know why you're watching this video. Like, you need to leave now. Get started. We have all of our amazing things right here set up so you can recreate this at home if you want to. So the most important thing to have is a blender. If you don't have a blender, don't really know how you're gonna accomplish anything, but you can try. I believe in you because sometimes you can really accomplish things if you put your mind to it. You need your strawberries. We have frozen strawberries and fresh strawberries because they didn't have non-dairy strawberry ice cream at Crest, ? So I got some that was non-dairy for me, and I got some regular ice cream for Carly. And then, of course, the frozen lemonade, so important. So now we're gonna move the stuff out of the way so you can see us do our chef work. Strawberries, they are freshly washed. Please wash your fruits. Coronavirus is real. So we're going to cut the little things off. So, in both of our blender cups, we have 4 strawberries. These are the fresh ones. Then we're going to get some frozen strawberries and put them in there as well. Let's see. So now we're going to add our ice creams of choice into our frosted lemonades.
I'm concerned that mine didn't have a thingy.
They packed mine extra good. They said, we are for the people, down for the people, around for the people. I tried to find Ben & Jerry's ice cream because I know that's what you like, but they didn't even have regular vanilla. Ben & Jerry's doesn't do, they're not basic bitches at all. They said vanilla surprise with peanut butter supreme. I said, wow. Thank you so much for all of that.
When you are feeling it, you should buy Ben & Jerry's because...
Yes. Ben & Jerry's has been with the shit for a very long time. Ben & Jerry, we rock with them. They know what it's about.
How much do you put in?
I'm just putting like 3 tablespoons or 3 spoonfuls. Honestly, do what makes you happy. This recipe is by no means professional. Just like with our coffee video, I don't even know what I was mixing. I was like, yeah, it's looking pretty good. It's already looking like a parfait. So now we're gonna take our lemonade, and we're going to, try and, yeah, it's doing what I want it to do. It's kind of slushy-like, and that's what you're gonna put in there as well. This is probably the secret ingredient. This is the piece de resistance. Period. it's okay to do a little bit of cross-contamination with this kind of stuff because it's all food that can be eaten in its raw form. So don't worry. If you're making anything else that's a little bit like raw foods, like raw meats and fresh vegetables and stuff, please wash everything and use different utensils. No one needs salmon and vanilla, not here. I think 2 spoonfuls. And we can add more after we mix it if it's not lemony enough, because I have another one in the freezer.
I just kind of want to eat it like this.
Really? It probably would actually be good, to be honest. That's what the other one's for. We'll just make lemon ice creams. Blender over there. So I'm gonna blend it. Yes. It is cute. Okay. So now, put yours in the pot and get it on and popping. Just gonna give it a little shake real quick. It's a little thick. Gotta use those master skills from when we were blending the. Yes. These are looking tasty-licious.
Look at her.
She is a hot girl, indeed. Okay, so for mine, I'm going. Okay, thank you so much. For mine, I'm going to add some more lemonade because I like it to be extra lemony. I'm a sour girl. Add some more ice cream, whatever you like. But I just decided not to put it back on the blender because we don't want to stress her out too much. The only thing that I'm a little bit scared about with this one is that since I made it with coconut milk ice cream, which I usually don't, like Chick-Fil-A doesn't have coconut milk ice cream, which is another thing that makes them unsuperior. I don't know if it's going to taste as good, but I like coconut milk ice cream and I like coconut milk yogurt, so hoping that's going to be good. I know Carly's is going to be good. It looks good. So we're gonna plate it up, make it look cute, and we'll be back. Oh wow. Oh. Yeah, this is not as ugly. Okay. This is what we're gonna work with for today. Now, we're doing abstract art.
Yes.
Art abstracticus. Okay, your turn. We are chefs, Carly.
This is cute. This looks better than the Pinterest.
No, it really does. It looks so much better. It's actually cute.
Mine doesn't look as cute as Joy's, but
It's okay. It's still a hot girl.
yes, she's a hot girl on the inside.
Yeah. And because she's a hot girl on the inside, automatically makes her a hot girl on the outside. Here are beautiful strawberry frosted lemonades. Look at them. These are literally so cute. Oh my gosh. They're so pretty. So now we're gonna do a taste test and see how they're tasting. So yeah. It took me a while to get mine out too, but it happened. So now what I recommend better than Chick-Fil-A is because there's no racism or oppression mixed in, so it really gives it the flavor of equality, equity, justice.
Flavor is immaculate. We love those things.
Okay. I'm pretty sure I have a whipped cream mustache, but you're just gonna have to deal with it. This was super fun, and I do advise y'all to try this out because it's a lovely summer treat and it's a great replacement for places that we don't stand anymore. So definitely try out this strawberry frosted lemonade, and you can also make it without the strawberries in it and make it just like Chick-fil-A's. So yeah, thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you try out this recipe. So tasty, you don't have to measure anything, it'll be great. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.
This is so good.